Hello guys, welcome back to the coding desk. Today in this video I will give you a brief overview on how Java programming and C programming are different. So, please listen carefully and ask in the comment section below if you have any doubts. How does Java differ from C? Java was modeled after C and C++ languages. It differs from C and C++ in many ways. It does not incorporate a number of features available in C and C++. Here in this video I'm pointing out some major differences between C and Java languages. Listen to know main differences between Java and C. Java is a lot like C, but the major difference between Java and C is that Java is an object-oriented language and has a mechanism to define classes and objects. To build a simple and safe language, the Java team did not include some of the features in Java. Java does not include the C unique statement keywords size of and typedef. Java does not contain the data types struct and union. Java does not define the type modifiers keywords auto, extern, register, signed and unsigned. Java adds new operators such as instance of and. Java does not support an explicit pointer type. Java does not have a preprocessor. We cannot use include, define if. Java adds many more features required for OOPs known as object-oriented programming.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Channel name is Coding Desk.